Yeah, I promise I'll get it all. So I only have like 5 minutes and 18 seconds left. Seems to be like a pretty big one. So what I'm gonna do is walk as it drives, so I can try to get the whole thing. I don't know how long this is gonna take. All right, the horn too. And the horn, nice. What are we getting to the DPU already? No, we're already at the DPU. It's the first time in a while I got a train from the Delair Bridge going off while it's going by me. DPU, that's awesome. Sorry, I had to pause it a second. I still hear them. Probably telling the NJ Transit guy to move. Oh, if he's stopping, this isn't good because I won't be able to finish this. Are we getting to the end? Or is it just that I can't see anything from the bushes? We might have a New Jersey Transit train going past us, because the first one came already, but I had to delete the video in order to get some room for this. Do I see the end? Yes, I do. Well, let's get over here so you'd see the back. Yeah, my phone's 15%. That's even better. Oh, no, we're not at the end. Wait, are we? I thought we were. Do we still have a long way to go? Yep, I'm not going to finish this. I'm not going to be able to manage it. Alright, now we're actually getting to the end. These carts were small, I couldn't tell. Got Conrail and Northfolk Southern oil containers, or whatever you call these things. Hear the Fred whistling. What's that say? Gary GRW Railway. Is that a type of company? Never heard of them before. But it looks like it used to be an ex-Norfolk. Still has the NS liveries on it. And no Fred light. Well, cool. That was really incredible. I got him with the horn. It was awesome. And there was a DPU in it.